Hey, what's up guys? So today another day, another vlog. Today's vlog will be in two parts. First part will be about using of the bikes. So because a lot of you guys will receive their LMX 64 very soon, or if not already. So today I will make some presentation and show you exactly how to operate the bike. So let's get started. Here I found some long and steep high climb. So let me try that. Switch into a low gear. I can climb in mode 2. If I don't spin, spin. Okay, second try using mode 3. Woo! Got this. Let me make a quick tour of the bike so I can show you how to turn it on. So the first thing you should do when you get the bike to use it is to press on this switch right here until the three LED lights up, which means the battery is powered up. So when that is good, you can go to the main button here and press for a few seconds until the logo appears, and then the bike is on. So on the display you have a lot of information that you can switch from. You can choose exactly what kind of information you want to see here. You can switch directly here with the watts and the remaining capacity. There is a lot of things you can configure on this display. On this side you have the remaining battery capacity. It's very important that you fully charge the battery to get a correct reading. On the top here you can see the current mode being selected. So if you go to this button here, you can go from mode 1 and to mode 3 by switching to the top right now. And if you go to the bottom button, you can switch between mode 2 and mode 1. So in the future we will try to update to have mode 1, 2, 3 on the top and 3, 2, 1 on the bottom, which make a lot more sense. For firmware update, this controller is equipped with an SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do is you insert an SD card with the updating firmware and also some configuration file, and it allows you to update pretty easily. Okay, let's go back riding. So when going downhill on some pretty steep things, pretty steep riding, I would recommend to go down to mode 1. Like that you have less risk of the bike putting too much power, so it's important to keep these riding habits when going down. Yeah, let's get started. So let me explain the different power modes that the LMX 64 comes with. So there is 3 power modes. The mode 1 is like a normal pedelec. It is limited to 28 kilometers an hour on the display. So it is best to start with this mode, and when you get more used to the bike, you can ride pretty much everything in mode 2 or mode 3. The mode 2 is much more powerful. It should be the mode you are riding in the most, I think. The base speed is around 40-45 kilometers an hour for this mode. But when you get into mode 3, we actually have advanced timing, which means that the motor can reach higher speed than the base speed, around 55 kilometers per hour. That's a very dirty bike. Nice! Alright, so now let's try some super steep uphills. So I also want to talk about what happened with LMX in the past few... Okay, not that. Alright, second try. Yeah, so I also wanted to talk about what happened with LMX on the past few weeks. Some of you know that we have been stolen some bikes from the workshop. So the guys broke into the window and they stole 5 bikes and 4 complete motorcycles, LMX 161. So the good thing is they were found by the police in less than 24 hours, but there was some damage to the bike that took a lot of time and a lot of energy from us. And so we had some delays in starting the production of the new batch of frames. Yeah, so again we are very sorry for all the delays with the first batch of frames. Some of it was our fault, some of it was the supplier's fault, and some of it was just the robbery, man. I mean, it was such the wrong time to have this happen. Yeah, so we're really excited to send the bikes out, and we can't wait to see the pictures and the videos that you guys shoot with those bikes, and please send them to us. Alright, sky is getting bad. I think it's gonna rain, so time to head back to the workshop.